Welcome back everybody. Right, this is my bench in the garden. It's 8 foot by 4 foot and it's built on an old picnic table, in the, one of these garden picnic tables. Excuse me. Oh, you want to know what's on the top? All right, get to that in a minute. It's something really special, but I might show it to you today. Then again, I might not. Okay, stop shouting. Would you like to see what's underneath the cover? Yeah? Okay, I'll go and take the cover off. Well, that's all the clamps off. What do you reckon? Good, isn't it? Stop shouting. I'm now going to take the cover off. Slowly. What do you think? Pretty good, isn't he? Just going to take you back a bit. That's 180 watts, and I'll show you the specs on the back in a minute. There's 15 of them. Have a guess how much? Oh, yes, I heard free cycle shouted out. Yep, didn't cost me a penny, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with them. So I took them down and put up a bigger system, and you'll see what else they gave me. Free get this one out in a moment, or shall I leave that for another video? I'll have to think about that one. You can gnash your teeth and growl, not a problem. So there you go, 15 of those solar panels. Nothing wrong with them at all. Let's have a look at the specs, shall we? And there's the specs. 180 watts, 44.7 volts, 5.37 amps, 72 cells, maximum fuse 10 amps, size of module 1580 millimeters by 808 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Maximum power voltage 36 volts, or 36.1 volts. Maximum power current 4.99 amps. Maximum system voltage 1000 volts. And there is no damage at all. This is just where they've been stored in the garage. So yes, a nice little find. There's a little bit of the bench construction. The white plastic on the top isn't going to stay there. Unfortunately, that's not going to be for the car. I'll have to get some more. Got a leak in the lab, so I've had to put it on the roof. And what I've got under there is a sheet of 8x4 plywood and a frame supported by the diagonals here on each corner, and it's quite solid. And I am very pleased with it. This is a Platinum 3800S pure sine wave inverter, and it weighs a ton, so I don't move it very much. No idea if I can use it or even how it works. I found a manual online, but if anybody else out there knows any information about this one, it's made in Germany, I'll be much obliged. It's I have no idea the cost of one of these brand new. It's yeah, that was free as well. Good, innit?